Hello everyone, welcome to Drone Leaper channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check battery capacity in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here, scroll down, then go to battery. From here, scroll down again. Here at the bottom, you can see battery information, then tap on it. Here you can see battery capacity option and you can check your battery capacity from here. You can see in my phone battery capacity is 5000 mAh. Also from here you can check your battery level and from here you can check your battery charging status. Now if you go back, from here you can show or hide your battery percentage. Also from here you can check your battery usage details. And that is how you can check battery capacity in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.